Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am continuing with some of the sample programs for practical file of informatics practices. You can also develop similar programs. So in this video, I am going to cover three programs. Program number 9 to print invoice and GST calculator. After calculating GST, we can print invoice. That is how much amount is to be paid uh, to the shopkeeper, and largest and smallest number in a given list, then third largest and third is smallest number in the given list. Program number 9, 10, and 11. So far we have already covered with 8 programs. So let us begin. First of all, you can see GST calculator. This is the comment written. Item name you want to enter, you can enter, and then selling price of that item has to be entered in the form of float value. GST rate क्या है? 18% जनरली, तो 18% हम लोग यहाँ इनपुट करेंगे 18. Then CGST will be calculated as selling price into GST rate upon 2 upon 100. GST रेट का हाफ जो है वो CGST सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का होता है टैक्स, और सेम टैक्स जो है वो दैट इज फॉर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. So SGST is equal to CGST. Thereafter, amount payable is written, calculated as amount equal to SP plus CGST plus SGST. Thereafter, printing the invoice, leave one line blank. Invoice heading, इसके नीचे underline dash dash से, after leaving one tab space. So it will go almost, after one tab space it will be printed. Then print item, then item name. Print price rupees, then SP has to be printed, then CGST at the rate of how much percentage. Suppose you have entered 18, so 18 upon 2, that is 9%. Then CGST's value will be displayed. Similarly, state government tax will be displayed, first rate and then its amount. Then there is a line of 30 dashes displayed. Amount payable, then amount whatever you have calculated, SP plus CGST plus SGST will be displayed. Thereafter one more line. So let us see its output. This is the output. We have entered item name as speaker. Selling price of the item is 2500. So GST rate अगर 18% input किया है, then invoice is being printed. Item speaker price 2500. CGST at the rate of 9%, 225. SGST at the rate of 9%, 225. Total of these 2500 plus 225 plus 225 has come. Amount payable rupees 2950. Suppose you want to see it by running the program actually. So we can have this program in Python ideally. The same program is being written. Okay. Here is monthly rate of interest, EMI. No, it is EMI calculator. Let us open another program that is for calculating your, I mean, this GST and all. So यहाँ पर मैं program पहले से I have already written the program for the practical file. Profit loss, EMI, average and grade, third largest profit loss. EMI calculator तो नहीं है. Let us see. This is EMI calculator. That program is missing somewhere. Let us see another program that is written there. So let us go to another program, that is find the largest and smallest number in a given list. List is an object having sequence of values in it. So suppose you want to enter n elements in the list. So list 1 is declared here with empty list. For I in range n, this is the loop for n times, that can move for n times, having the value of I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n minus 1. New elements has to be entered every time. The same element will be added into the list using append method. Append method से उस list में वो सारे elements एक एक करके add हो जाएंगे, तो आपकी list जो है ultimately n elements से populate हो जाएगी. After that, I am printing the created list. Print list 1. So list 1 will be displayed. Now here is a logic to find out the minimum and maximum element given within the list. मिनिमम एलिमेंट के लिए लिस्ट ऑफ जीरो इनिशिएट कर दिया. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हैज बीन कंसीडर्ड एज लीस्ट एलिमेंट, मिनिमम एलिमेंट, and maximum element has also been considered as list of zero, that is the first element. इन दोनों को मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम मान लिया गया. अब लूप आपका फिर से चलेगा j इन रेंज 1 to n. सो दैट मीन्स जीरोथ एलिमेंट तो आपका मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम ले लिया गया है, तो हमारा लूप 1 से लेकर के n-1 तक चलेगा. And all the elements will be compared with this minimum and maximum like this. If list 1 of j is greater than maximum element, then maximum element will be list j. यानी कि आपका लिस्ट j में दूसरा एलिमेंट अगर पहले एलिमेंट से जो कि जीरोथ एलिमेंट है उससे ग्रेटर होगा तो मैं मैक्सिमम को दूसरा एलिमेंट मान लूंगा. सिमिलरली अगली बार अगला एलिमेंट कंपेयर होगा, अगर वो that element is a list of j means that element recent element new element is greater than the maximum element, then maximum element will be changed to the latest element. Similarly smallest element will also be compared. Thereafter, as soon as the loop is over, that means all the elements of the list has been compared and found at last maximum element that in the variable max underscore ele and minimum element of the list in the variable min underscore ele. So this will be printed. Largest element print करा दिया max element के नाम से है max underscore ele. Smallest element with the variable min underscore ele will be printed. So this is the program. Let us see how it appears the output. Here you can see, please enter number of elements. Suppose I have entered 8, 10, 9, whatever, 100. Enter new elements. Every time it will ask for new elements because n times the loop will execute, and every time new element will be asked from the user. After entering it, the list will be in the list. These elements will be added one after the other using append method. So our created list is this. With these elements, a list will be created for 8 number of elements. Out of it, जो आपका कंपैरिजन लॉजिक बताया था उसके अकॉर्डिंग लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट 5577 आ गया. दिस वन स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट 56. इसका हमारे पास प्रोग्राम ऑलरेडी बना रखा है. तो दैट इज द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम एलिमेंट. इसको अगर हम रन कराते हैं सो यू विल गेट सपोज 5 एलिमेंट्स में डालना चाहता हूँ तो 5 एलिमेंट्स यू हैव टू एंटर वन बाय वन. This will be added into the list one object, and ultimately at last it will find out the maximum and minimum. Created list is 78, 90, 76, 54, 3 with these elements, and largest element out of it is 90 and smallest element is 3. So this is about this program, how to find out the maximum and minimum value within the given list. Now, after this, another program I have written to find the third largest and smallest, third smallest number in a given list. How it is to be done? यहाँ तक आपका जो प्रोग्राम है सिमिलर है. n एलिमेंट्स लिस्ट में ऐड किए गए वन आफ्टर द अदर यूजिंग अपेंड मेथड. एलिमेंट्स को आप एंटर करते रहे कितनी बार, n टाइम्स, और ये लिस्ट वन ऑब्जेक्ट में ये अपेंड होता रहा एक एक करके वन आफ्टर द अदर n एलिमेंट्स. आफ्टर दैट क्रिएटेड लिस्ट हैज बीन डिस्प्लेड. अब मैंने लिस्ट को सॉर्ट मेथड से क्या किया, उसकी सॉर्टिंग कर ली. लिस्ट सॉर्ट हो जाने के बाद वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज हो जाएगा, मीन्स मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम. ओके, फर्स्ट टू लास्ट एलिमेंट. तो अब सबसे पहला एलिमेंट लीस्ट है, सेकेंड एलिमेंट क्या होगा, उससे बड़ा होगा. थर्ड एलिमेंट क्या होगा, थर्ड लीस्ट एलिमेंट हो जाएगा. और राइट साइड से अगर हम गिनेंगे तो राइट साइड से हाईएस्ट एलिमेंट है, उसके बाद सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट है, उसके बाद थर्ड लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट है, जिसे कि हम इंडेक्सिंग से उनके इंडेक्स वैल्यूज से रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं. सो बिफोर गोइंग टू रिट्रीव द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट एंड थर्ड स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट, we will first print the list, print list 1, and the sorted list will be displayed. Before that, original list is being printed, list 1, then list has been sorted using sort method. Also, after sorting, it will be arranged in the form of, in ascending order, lowest to highest. So that is going to be printed using this print list 1. Then third largest element is right side, say -1, -2, -3. Third element, that is having the index number -3, उसको थर्ड लार्जेस्ट में स्टोर कर लिया, थर्ड स्मॉलेस्ट में 0, 1, 2. So third element will be having index number 2. So that has been retrieved using list 1 of 2 in the third small element, and both the elements have been printed. So this is how we can find out the third largest and third smallest element within the given list. List भी आपको खुद populate करना है for n number of elements. Now you can see here, please enter number of elements. I have given 10. So it will ask the user to enter new elements every time up to 10 times. So 10 times the loop will move. 10 times means n times whatever you have entered, the value of n. So after that, the created original list is being displayed 345, 664 and so on up to 76 in the same order as you have entered the element. This is the original list, first one. And after doing sorting, list 1 dot sort लिखने के बाद आपका जो डाटा है इस तरह से within the list arrange हो गया in ascending order. 2, 3, 6, 33, 34 and so on up to 644. This is the highest element and this is the least element. Now third largest element is 1, 2, 3. -1 इसका index है, इसका -2 है, इसका -3. So this is the third largest element and third smallest element. So this is the smallest, it is second smallest, it is the third smallest. 0, 1, 2 ये आपने extract किया, second index number पर हमारा 2 है, that is the third largest element. So if you want to see it by running the program actually in Python, so you can see here by running it. Suppose I have entered say 10 elements, 6, 8, 9, 8, 5, single digit में भी हम feed कर सकते हैं. Okay, so I am putting in single digit, one in 2 digits. तो यहाँ पर आपका जो that is the original list 6, 8, 9, 8 and so on 4. So this is the original list, and after sorting it has become 4, 4, 5 and so on up to 12. So third largest element is -1, -2, -3. This is third largest, that is 8, and third smallest is 0, 1, 2, that is 5. So this is how we can execute this program actually in Python ideally and get the required result. The same is being done over here. So if I recapitulate what we have done today, here in this video we have covered how to find out the GST. GST calculator कैसे हम calculate करते हैं, GST, CGST and SGST. After calculating CGST and SGST, we can find out the amount payable, and the same can be printed. CGST, SGST, selling price, item name, and then amount payable can be printed, which will display in this format. I have entered name of the object, item, then selling price, then rate of GST. Thereafter item name is printed and the price is printed, then CGST at the rate of 9%, what is the value, SGST what is the value, both the values are equivalent, and after that amount payable is this plus this plus this, price plus CGST plus SGST. This is the amount to be paid. After that we have done find the largest and smallest number in a given list. Thereafter we have done find third largest and third smallest element from the given list. So that's all about this video. Please, if you have understood these three programs, these are the programming patterns how you can include in your practical file, 11th class IPS students. So similar programs can be developed for the practical file. Thank you for watching. Thank you.